Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a really practical tutorial, how to create a Telegram chatbot using Manychat step by step. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to set up your very own bot on Telegram, but also how to connect it with Manychat and design interactive chat flows, all without any coding required. Whether you want to automate customer support, deliver information, or build engagement on autopilot, this guide is perfect for you. So let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is actually create your bot on Telegram itself. Telegram has an official bot creator called @BotFather. It's kind of like the wizard behind every Telegram bot. Open up Telegram, search for @BotFather, and start a new chat with it. Don't worry, @BotFather is trusted and used by millions. Type the command /newbot. This kicks off a guided process where BotFather will ask for your bot's display name. This can be whatever you like, maybe your brand name or something descriptive. Next, you'll have to pick a username for your bot. The catch is that it absolutely needs to end with bot. For example, mycoolservicebot. This is what people will use to find your bot on Telegram. Once you've chosen and confirmed your name and username, BotFather will instantly issue you an API token. Think of this token like a key. It gives Manychat permission to control and automate messages from your bot. Be sure to copy this API token somewhere safe. You'll need it for the next step. Now let's move over to Manychat. If you've never used it before, Manychat is a super approachable platform for building chatbots with clicks instead of code. In your Manychat dashboard, head over to Settings. You'll see Telegram listed as a channel option. Click to connect a new channel. This is where you'll link Manychat to your new Telegram bot. Choose Create New Bot if you just set it up with BotFather, but if you had one made elsewhere, you can connect that too. Now, paste the API token you saved from BotFather into the provided field. It's a simple copy-paste move, but it establishes a secure tunnel between Telegram and Manychat, so your bot can start responding to people automatically. Once you hit connect, you're officially ready to start building your chatbot's personality and functions. This is where things get really fun and customizable. Building your chatbot flows in Manychat. Start with a welcome message. This is the very first thing someone will see when they open up a chat with your bot, so make it friendly, clear, and inviting. Maybe introduce yourself or give a brief summary of what your bot can help with. Next, add some keyword triggers. These are rules that recognize when users type certain words like price or support, and then automatically send the right helpful response. It's a great way to make your bot feel smart and responsive. You can also use input fields to collect information, such as a user's name, email, or any other detail you need. Just keep in mind. In Manychat, some input options might require a pro account. If so, decide if that extra functionality is worth the upgrade. Another fantastic feature is creating sequences. This lets you set up multi-step messages that roll out over time, almost like automated follow-ups. For example, you can greet someone, check in a day later, or share tips throughout the week. It's a great way to keep conversations going, even when you're not online. Before you launch, let's talk testing. Manychat makes it easy to preview how your bot will respond, so take a moment to run through all your flows, triggers, and sequences inside Manychat itself. Don't worry if something doesn't work perfectly the first time, just tweak your rules or messages and test again. Once your bot feels smooth, welcoming, and ready, grab your bot's username or invite link from Telegram and share it with your audience. You've now got a functioning chatbot ready to start real conversations. And remember, you can always go back and tweak or expand your bot's skills as you learn what your community needs. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like and drop your questions or success stories in the comments below. I absolutely love hearing how you're using these tools. And if you want more easy-to-follow chatbot tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy bot building.